Hello, I'm Hiro. Today, これそれあれ The secret is simple. Don't translate. Look at the distance. Quick question. A pen is in your hand. Do you use これそれ or あれ? Now, it's in the other person's hand. Which word now? In English, both are easy, this and that. But Japanese is different. Let's find out. Here is the key rule. Don't translate this or that. Just look at the distance. これ near the speaker. それ near the listener. あれ far from both. Let's see each one. First, これ Use これ when the thing is near the speaker. これは本です。This is a book. It's right here, near the speaker. これいくらですか? How much is this? Near the speaker, use これ. Next, それ. English speakers often forget this one. Use それ when the thing is near the listener. それはあなたのカバンですか? Is that your bag? It's near the listener. それをください. That one, please. In English, it's just that. But it's near the listener, so use それ. Last, あれ. Use あれ when the thing is far from both. あれは何ですか? What is that over there? あれは富士山です。That is Mount Fuji. Near the listener, use それ. Far from both, use あれ. English says that for both. Japanese does not. Now the most important point. The word is not fixed to the object. It changes with the speaker. A is holding a book. The book is near A. A says, これは本です。This is a book. Same book. Now B speaks. The book is near A, the other person. So B says, それは本です。That is a book. Same book. これ for A, それ for B. The word follows the distance, not the object. Quick practice. これ、それ、あれ. Think about the distance. 5 seconds each. Question 1. A smartphone in your hand. Question 2. A smartphone in the other person's hand. Question 3. A building far away, across the street. Here are the answers. Question 1. これ near the speaker. Question 2. それ near the listener. Question 3. あれ far from both. 3 words, 1 rule. Don't translate. Look at the distance. これ near the speaker. それ near the listener. あれ far from both. And remember, The same thing can change with the speaker. Thanks for watching. If this helped, like and subscribe. Learn Japanese from a small seaside town in Japan. See you next time.